this video, I'm gonna talk about how I do my in-person process, the conversation that I have, and how I follow up. If you're doing commercial estimates and making it about the cleaning when you do the walkthrough and how you will be different, you are gonna continue losing deals and stay stagnant in your business. A true pro will never make it just about the cleaning. They will make it about finding the solution to the problem that they may have. The problem needs to be big enough for them to pay the value that you expect them to pay. A real pro will ask qualifying questions like these. Why a cleaner now? Are the current cleaners creating headaches, or are they creating customer complaints about the sanitation of your building when it shouldn't happen? Once you get those answers, then you could share how your solution is going to help that. So for example, I recently had this experience in a in-person commercial estimate. I went in and the client was all over the place. They were just kind of walking around and they wanted to show me the areas that they wanted cleaned. A few seconds later, I stopped the customer where she was at and I said, hey, if it's about cleaning, that is something we're already good. If you haven't seen our reviews, we believe in high quality cleaning, so we're not gonna have a problem with that. What I truly want to know is why you called us in today. And then she said, well, the current cleaners that we have are not providing a good job. I asked her, well, what areas are they missing? What are they doing that is not bringing satisfaction to you? She went on telling me how they did this in the bathrooms, how they are not cleaning the floors, how they're missing. She highlighted all of these things. I told her, I completely understand. That is a huge headache for them to not clean the bathrooms, for them not to clean the floors. It must be taking you all over the place and telling them what they're doing wrong. Then she agreed, and then she said how her time is being wasted giving them a call and chasing her cleaners. I then had the ability to highlight the benefits that we will offer that will make us different than that cleaning company that is not doing their job. I would suggest to add, since you're already at the appointment, letting them know that you're not the cheapest nor the most expensive. You are in the right place to provide the quality and the value that they deserve. And now for some gold nuggets. The deals are in how you communicate with the customer. This is how you provide the proposal to how you follow up. Do not take longer than 24 hours to provide a proposal. If you could give them a call and talk about the price first, it will give you the ability to answer those objections that they may have. Remember, it's not about how good you are, it's about how you will solve the problem that they are having. Lastly, the most important thing is following up on the proposal. Ask them when is the next time you can give them a call, when is the next time you can send them an email. You doing those steps are going to show them that you are a better match than anybody else that is not doing that. To get deeper into how to provide a better process specifically for you, schedule a call with me and we can go through that process together. Remember, the best customers are looking for professionalism and high communication. So just do that and you'll be fine. If I provided value to you today, please like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you on the next one.